Today we are going to start Canva series. Canva tutorial series. In this series, we will cover that how we can use Canva to design beautiful thumbnails, logos, Facebook, Instagram, or any social media covers, posts, and DP. Profile pictures, etc. Moreover, we will also cover that how we can edit our video in a Canva video editing tool. So in this video, I am going to create first my Canva account. Then we will move in the next section. So simply search Canva and open canva.com, and here you can sign up and log in, but I will sign up, and we can also choose the platform. So I will sign up Canva by using Google. You can also choose Facebook, and you can also choose manual option to enter your credential, and you will be redirected to your Canva dashboard. So it is very simple to sign up here. Now what will you be using Canva for? So give a solid reason why you are using Canva. So I will select student. Where are you currently studying? So I will choose professional development, and that's enough. And here you can see that here are multiple options to create and design multiple things like presentations, social media, videos, documents, a whiteboard, sheet, website, photo editing tool also available here, and custom size, which is too much good. If you are not interested to edit or design these templates, then you can select your own custom size to design your own or create your own project. And here is a upload option. You can also upload video here, as well as any kind of media like images, photos, and clips like TikTok, Shorts, Reels, Facebook Reels, Instagram, as well as you can also edit your photo here as well. And if we go down or scroll down, you can see that there are many multiples layout thumbnails. So here are some paid and few are free. You can see that this is free, also free, but this is not free. You can see that it is saying upgrade to Canva Pro to use this premium template. So you can also choose your template from here, or also you can search here to find your desired template. If I search here YouTube thumbnail, so you can see that here is YouTube thumbnail result. Here is a gaming thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, and you can see that you are free and remaining or almost remaining or paid or in premium package. But in this tutorial we will use a template to edit, to know how we can edit this rebuild or redesign template according to our desire. So if we click on this, because I'm going to use this because it is a free, click over and customize this template. In this tutorial we will cover the basic of Canva, like its basic tool, like title, how to edit title, uh, subtitle, as well as title fonts, colors, styles, animation, media changes like background images, character image, and upload, as well as also the layout. And in the right side, in the left side, we will also cover the tools that Canva is showing, like element designs, elements, text, brand, upload, tools, projects, apps, magic media. In this tutorial we are going to clear these attributes or elements. So as I click that template, so I am redirected to this editing page or editing dashboard. From here we will customize or redesign our thumbnail according to our desire. So if I click on the background and then click and then press right click, you can see that we have multiple options like copy style, paste, duplicate page, delete background, add page, lock background, comments, resize page, detach image from background, expand to whiteboard, and in the end here is a info which is not related to our concern, but the remaining options are, I think we must have to know these options. You know what is copy, so you can copy anything from this editing page. If you want to copy background, you can copy simply, as well as you can copy anything, any element. Now move to next attribute, which is copy style. It is likely uh, to be copy of some animation, like video animation, title animation, subtitle, and any other animation. So you can copy that style. You know paste as well as what is, and you can paste the copy style as well as copy element at any section, at any page. Suppose I copy this copy, and if I add a new page, a second page, and paste here, and if allow, you can see that background image has been pasted here. I'm going to delete this page. You can also delete background, add page where is so we have also played. Here is a lock background. If you lock the background, you will not able to copy, paste or edit that background. As well as comment, you can comment any element, and here is a resize which is in premium package, but we are still using a free package, so we are not able to resize page. And here is another important feature or option, which is detach image from background. If I click on, so the background image has been detached from the background, but I will undo this. So if you want to undo any element, any section, simply click that element and press Control press C. So you can see that the undo has been successfully done. And here is a expand to whiteboard. You can expand your project, I mean this project into a whiteboard display, but I will undo this. Now we move to the design, I mean to the tool section from top to bottom. Here is in the first one is design. If I click on design, you can see the relevant design of this project or this template. There is some paid and some are free. You can use which you want. And here is the style. You can change your template style. If I click on, so you can see that the style has been changed, but it is not too much good. I will undo this. Now in the second video, we will know in the second video we will explore these elements or tools, that how it work. We will practically use these elements into our these template, and we will redesign our template into our desired template or thumbnail.